Welcome, everybody. It means so much to us that you could share this special day with Molly and Lowell. We're absolutely bursting with pride and happiness today.
Well, I was 19, you were 21, the year we got engaged.
We are excited to see what the future holds for Molly and Lowell. And as of today, Mrs. Molly Casey, you and Lowell will make your own lifetime of memories.
From a pawn shop down the road, and we said our vows and took the leap now 15 years ago. And we went dancing in the minefields, we went sailing in the storms, and it was harder than we dreamed, but I believe that's what the promise is for.
Dear Molly, the day is finally here where I give you my heart. We have both been waiting on this day to arrive for some time. This may be the first love letter I've ever written, but it is from my heart to yours. From the moment I laid eyes on you, I knew you were the one for me. I am so blessed to now have you as my soulmate.
To lay your own life down, and I believe it's an easy price for the life that we have found. And we're dancing in the mind.
That's when I knew that she was the one for my brother. I knew because whenever he mentioned that he was helping out the Maloney's, you could tell it wasn't a chore for him because he was helping out his family. You're the perfect partner for Lowell, and I know the two of you are going to have many wonderful years together. Today, you officially become my sister-in-law, but you've been part of the Casey family for a long time.
Find me when I lose love's chains. Bind me at the end of all my faith, to the end of all my days when I forget my name. Remind me, 'cause we bear the light of the Son of Man.
To my groom on our wedding day. Lowell, the day has finally come. Today is the day you become my husband. As we say our I do's this afternoon and begin the next chapter of our lives together as husband and wife. You are the most amazing man with the biggest and kindest heart. You are my best friend, my other half, and the one I can always count on. I, Lowell, take you, Molly, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you for all the days of my life.
I, Molly, take you, Lowell, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
Lowell and Molly Casey.
She has and will be an awesome soulmate in Lowell's life, I do believe. I would also like to say how proud I am of Lowell and his decisions and accomplishments. I know his mother would be very proud in the young man he has become.
Molly, I'm so happy that Lowell found you. I've never seen Lowell this happy before in all my life. You've helped him become the man I knew he always could be. A little brother that I find myself looking up to. I can never thank you enough for that. Molly, I want to welcome you to the family as my sister. I love you guys.
Molly, we had so many happy times as a family as we made our journey through life together. We didn't always know who we would meet along the way or where the journey would take us. But look where this journey got you today. Now, you and Lowell will begin your journey together.
Lowell, I cannot believe the day has finally come and that you are now officially my husband. I feel as if the country roads from Douro to Keene have led me straight to you. You have a heart of gold and light up my whole world. I look forward to whatever the future holds for you and me as we begin the next chapter of our lives as husband and wife.